Tiffany is so cool.
Tiffany, stop, Garth. What comes up Taco Bell? Yes, you know me too well. Somebody needs to stand with a big cue card. Yes, big cue card or teleprompter right underneath. 99.5 the river.
There you go.
99.5 the river. We'll scooch over a little bit. And no space there. What's up? I'm Nate Grecklick.
And I'm Ashley Dobbs.
Welcome to Mohawk Table Talk. Go. Yes. All right. We here at Mohawk Honda know information is key to owning and purchasing a vehicle. Our weekly Mohawk Table Talk provides you with maintenance reminders, Honda news, fun car gadgets, and answers the common questions you may have about purchasing or owning a vehicle. Let's get into today's episode, and today's episode is number 9.
9 is
we are
fine.
so close to number 10. Number 9.
All right, now for Ooh, that looks cool. We know that gadgets make our life easier, so the gadgets we found for your car this week are from GadgetFlow.com. All right, what do we have up first, Nate?
So we kind of have sister gadgets again.
Yes.
So
you should get both of these.
Both of them. They're pretty legit. That's French for legit.
Is it really though?
No.
I took French. I should know that. It sounds legit.
Legit. So my first gadget is called the Kelvin 23 all-in-one tool. And this thing has got everything you need. It's got a level, it's got a flashlight, it's got a screwdriver, it's got many different things for the screwdriver, it's got a tape measure, anything you can need, all right there in the all-in-one tool.
All 23 needs.
All 23 needs.
All right, so I have, oh wait, how much was that?
That one's $28.99, so $30.
Okay, so is mine. Mine is $30 too.
Oh my
So
gosh.
this is the TAC Pen 4-in-1 survival pen. This is actually a military and police grade technical pen. So first of all, it's a regular pen. Second of all, it's a glass breaker. So in the event that you get into an accident, you can bash out your glass and escape your vehicle, which is awesome. Next, it has a LED flashlight. Of course, you always need to see in the dark.
Yep,
and then it has a razor knife too, if you ever need to cut anything, especially like seatbelt. If that does happen in the event you're trapped in your car,
break the glass, flashlight, you got it all.
You're literally prepared, and
Survival
that's only $30.
$30.
Love those gadgets.
$60, you got all the tools you'll ever need for your car.
Pretty much.
What's up?
All right, cool. So next we have
Honda news.
Honda news.
All right. She got it. She's all good. So we do have some sad news. A little bit, kind of sad news, but not really. Kind of upsetting news. More or less.
I am questioning this
Definitely
news.
questioning.
This sounds very skeptical to me.
Yep. Yeah, so we're gonna get into it. According to US News, their car section, the 2018 Kia Sorento beats out the 2018 Honda Pilot into a head-to-head competition. But as I got reading into this, I got some bones to pick with them.
Upon further investigation.
We're going to start off with their economy winner. So they say the 2018 Kia Sorento beats out the Pilot in economy. Now, it does beat it out if it's a 4-cylinder vehicle.
But
Obviously.
we all know that the Pilot is a V6.
Pilot's a V6. Now, when we look at the V6 miles per gallon, the Kia Sorento V6 all-wheel drive trim gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, 23 highway, and 19 combined. When in fact the V6 Pilot all-wheel drive gets 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 miles on the highway, and 23 combined.
Found a hole in that story.
Yes. Can you call it fake news? Maybe. All right. Moving on to the next one, they say ride and handling. Now, they say the Honda Pilot is composed of a ride that's smooth on all different types of roads. However, the handling is not particularly well. Now, they say the Kia Sorento handles a little bit better, but it says, while the added weight V6 results in some additional body lean concerns, and that's for the Kia Sorento as well.
Right.
So question over there, you guys decide for yourself. Safety.
Ooh.
Safety, got a bone to pick with you guys. So, crash test rating for the National Highway NHTSA.
National Highway Traffic Safety
Administration. Yep. Gave a good score for the Kia Sorento, 5 stars overall. We got 4 stars. That's no reason to give more safety to the Kia Sorento because Honda has Honda Sensing safety technology. The Kia kind of has something like that, but Honda Safety Sensing has the collision mitigation, you have your road departure mitigation, you have your lane keeping assist, and you have your adaptive cruise control.
Lane departure warning.
And as far as I could tell, the Kia Sorento doesn't have any of that. So you don't even have to worry about getting into an accident with a Honda when you may have to, in fact, worry about that for the Kia Sorento. They did have something about turning, for the Kia, they had a lane, something for the curve, but I didn't see any like safety sensing technology when I was looking it up on the Kia website. So, bone to pick with you guys on that one. So they did make the Kia 2018 Sorento a winner, but I kind of have a bone to pick with that winner. So,
agreed. So, anyways, in some positive, better news for Honda, per usual. The 2018 Honda Odyssey and CR-V were named best cars for families by the U.S. News and World Report.
Well,
Another win for Honda. They both have been named the best minivan and best compact SUV, respectively. So they won. The Odyssey won the category for the 8th year in a row, which is pretty awesome. So, thank you, U.S. World News.
U.S. News World Report.
U.S. News and World Report. We agree with this, and we think
I think
great.
The only thing that I could agree with for the 2018 Kia Sorento is the fact about the touchscreen, and it doesn't have enough knobs.
Okay.
In the Pilot.
Fair enough.
So.
All right. Next. Ooh.
We're done with our Honda news, and it's time for our weekly sponsor shout-out, so you know what we got to do. It's time for our weekly sponsor shout-out! Our weekly sponsors are Mohawk Honda family members who have come in and have decided to leave their experience on one of our review sites, and that's DealerRater.com, which we have a 4.9 in. Oh, yeah.
Woo! So, up first, being an MXP, I love to see this service Dealer Rater. So I'm going to go ahead first with this one.
Word.
It is called Happy Customer by C. Gallo.
Happy.
Very happy with Nicole Kirby. She's fabulous, and she's the reason I will always deal with Mohawk Honda. She has perfect customer service skills and a great personality. Well, thanks, C. Gallo, and we will certainly pass that along to Nicole, and we really appreciate you servicing your vehicle here with us.
She definitely does. She's very peppy.
She is.
Moving on to Daddy's Mo 18.
Okay, what
Daddy's
does he
Mo
say?
18. His title is Great Friend, Chris Horn, who is one of our salesmen, and great people working there. Great salespeople and financing people, and great team of people that work there. Love store and all their customer service. Collision repair center just up the road. Huge showroom. Would and will refer many friends and family to go there.
And who did they work with?
They worked with
Chris,
Caleb Gradoni, Mike Nicholas, and Joe Vita.
Awesome.
All right, it's time for What Is
In the Car Biz.
And we have Rainey McCartan from 99.5 The River.
It's an honor to be at your wavy table.
Welcome to Mohawk Table Talk. We have
Thank
some
you.
questions for you today.
Okay, all right.
So, first off, we want to start with how did you come across Mohawk Honda and having the partnership that you have with our general manager and our ownership here?
Well, a few years ago, we got a Honda CR-V, and then this past summer, our kids both got their driver's license about the same time. And we
scared.
needed another vehicle. So we came over here and we were working with Lindsay to find a pre-owned vehicle, and we found this really sweet CR-V. I mean, it's got the sunroof, it's got the heated seats, it's got all the gadgets, and
Nice.
the kids get to drive that one.
Nice.
Oh, cool.
So it
Dad
all
doesn't get to
started
drive
with
it.
a car.
Dad gets the LX, the kids get the toy.
So, you know, I don't know how it worked out that way, but that's the way it did. But, you know, I mean, Lindsay took really good care of us and found the perfect vehicle for what we were looking for. You know, I was on the website searching for I love how the website's laid out where you can, you know, stay in your budget. You can look at all the different like prices and all that stuff, and we just found one that worked for us. So it was
Awesome.
great. And
Great.
of course, you know, we've been using the service department oil changes, and we got new tires, and one of our cars needed some brakes, and you know, what I really like about that is that you go in there and I'll say, I think there's a noise in the back with the brakes, and they'll look at it and say, well, this one's fine, but these two need to be replaced. And so, you know, they're not fixing stuff that doesn't need to be fixed, which is cool. And, you know, I've really built up a trust with everybody that I've worked with.
That's awesome.
So good to hear that.
So he works on the radio. So tell us about the radio. Tell us what you do, what you like to do, different things like that.
Well, you know, I mean, you asked about the relationship here, and I go on the air and I tell people, you know, what I basically told you guys, that I've had a great experience here, and, you know, that I think that they will get a great experience here too. So, you know, I mean, it's just telling people honestly what I feel about Mohawk Honda, and, you know, so that's kind of how that came about. And you know what? You know, the other thing I really like is that you guys are always doing like good stuff. I came over here with our little dog when the pet adoption clinic was here.
Yes.
He met some new friends. You know, we've done. I was here for the Wing and Pizza Bowl.
Yeah.
You know, I mean that was an awesome event. We've done the golf tournaments and all those kind of
Yeah.
things. You guys are always doing good stuff, and you know we like to be associated with things.
Yeah.
like
So he's not just a business partner, but he's actually a family member of our Mohawk Honda family,
that.
Yes.
which is great. So how long have you been in the business?
About
Do you want?
You
You
had
don't
to
have
take
to
a
tell
deep
us.
breath first.
about 35 years.
Wow.
So it's been a long time.
That's crazy.
So yeah, you know, I've been in this market for a little over 20 years, and with 99.5 The River, and you know, I mean, our kids have grown up here, so we're really upstate New Yorkers, despite the fact, you know, I grew up in the Chicago area. So I mean, we've actually been here longer than we were. Than where I grew up, so you know, I mean, we're
Wow.
So,
we're
yeah.
upstaters now.
You're
Upstairs.
legite.
Legite.
You're legite now, which is
That sounds
which
fancy.
Is, yeah, it's apparently French,
It's French.
for legit, but we made it up. So
I'll Google that later.
All right. Do you have anything else?
I think I am good to go. Thank you
got it.
so much.
Thank you so
Randy.
much.
Thank
Anything
you.
else you want to add before we sign off?
We're gonna go and do some test drives.
Oh yeah, that's
yeah.
one thing. He likes to come in and we actually go Facebook Live. So if you are looking at this, make sure you check out our Facebook, and we're gonna see some Facebook Lives
All right, cool.
with me and Randy. Absolutely.
Thank you.
All
All right.
right.
So thanks for checking this out. Please comment below, like and subscribe. Please like us on Facebook, like I was just talking about. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and yes, we do have a Snapchat. So make sure you check the links below because they are there for you to check out. And subscribe for more informational tips. And we will see you next time on Mohawk Table Talk. Bye.
All right.
That's how you do that, my friend.
I used to do it after we get through the first intro.
Intro.
20 takes. Yeah. It is. All right, well, it was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Lindsay's actually my best friend, so
Oh, okay.
love her.
Yeah.
She's actually off today, but you know about her.